There is a question on organic chemistry. Major products of following reaction is R, and the reaction is given over here. Accordingly, we find that there is an organic compound containing OH and SO3 group, SO3H group, that is sulfonic acid group, and the hydroxy group, the benzene nucleus. And when this is treated with aqueous bromine, three equivalents, you get certain products. Now, out of this, we have to choose and infer about the major product, although it is written as products, but the major product can be only one. And before we proceed to anything, we must know the name of this compound. And this compound is 4-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. This 4-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, when treated with aqueous bromine, three equivalents, of course, quantitative amount is also given. Then four options are there. Different structures are provided over here, and they have been denoted by E, Q, R, and S separate. Now we have to find out which will be the correct product, and accordingly, we have to mark it here in the four options A, B, C, D. So in this case, we have to keep in mind that there is an OH group attached and SO3H group attached. Now, the characteristics of benzene is quite typical. The properties of the benzene depends upon the groups attached to it. And this is, as we know, 4-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acids are para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Now this, we know that OH group is activating group. It is alpha and para-directed. And SO3H group, of course, sulfonic acid group, is deactivating group, and it's a good living group. Now, when it is treated with bromine in aqueous state, that is aqueous solution, what happens that the OH group becomes extremely active. You get phenoxide when aqueous bromine is treated. And being ortho and para directing, you get certain products. So let us see how the reaction takes place. The reaction can be represented this way. Points to be kept in mind. Whatever I have given to you is summarized over here. And here is aqueous bromine 3 equivalents. When it is treated, what happens that two bromine atoms are bonded to ortho positions. Now it is the para position which is more important for us here. And one of the bromine atom gets attached at the para position where SO3H is already there. Now SO3H is a good living group. Accordingly, it has a tendency to get out. And here, one of the bond of benzene, a covalent bond is broken, and it becomes positively charged. Accordingly, bromine can firmly attach to the para position, and you get a product which can be represented as this. And this, as we know, is 2,4,6 hydroxybenzene, 2,4,6 tribromohydroxybenzene. And accordingly, if we look at the options, again, we find that SO3 is, of course, separated. And if you look at the option B is correct. It is 2,4,6 tribromohydroxybenzene. So the correct answer is at option B. Okay, thank you. Please do subscribe to our channel. और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इसको आपने बड़ी आसानी से समझ लिया होगा, क्योंकि बेंजीन एक बहुत कलाकार ग्रुप है, कलाकार कंपाउंड है। अगर हिंदी में कहें तो हम यही कहेंगे कि ये बहुत कलाकार है। और इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज जो अटैच ग्रुप हैं उस पर भी आधारित होती है। तो इस तरह के प्रश्नों को करने के लिए, जहाँ कि हमें प्रोडक्ट्स बताना है या प्रोडक्ट बताना है, हमें इनमें जो ग्रुप्स अटैच्ड हैं बेंजीन न्यूक्लियस के साथ या बेंजीन के साथ, उस पर ध्यान देना होगा। और तब हम सही प्रकार से किसी प्रश्न का प्रोडक्ट निकाल पाएंगे। ओके, थैंक यू। प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू अवर चैनल।